In the previous video, we did a review of this X-Pride LED Underglow kit. Today we're going to be installing it on our car. I'm going to show you everything that is required to do the installation, and we're just going to get right into the video. Alright, I always use safety first, so the first thing we're going to do. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is remove the negative terminal of the battery, because we need to disconnect the battery before we do any form of work on any electrical parts of the components. First, we're just going to look at the layout just to see if the wires are long enough to run around the car. So based on what I'm seeing, it's okay. So I found a point where I'm going to run the wire. So we're going to run the wire through that opening in the car, and then take it from underneath the car and run it around either sides and to the back and the front. Safety first, we always use a jack stand when we jack up our cars. So I'm going to use double-sided tapes because these tapes are not strong enough. So after we apply the double-sided tape to the back of the LED strips, they are now ready to be installed on the car. So I was looking for a point where I'm going to drill some holes to mount the tie straps, so when I'm finished my installation I can strap them to the frame of the car so that they won't hang down. Just using a wire to fish the LED strips down the hole. So we're just gonna tie them to the end of this wire and then pull them down the car so that the strips can be run from around the corners. Now that the strips are run, we can see exactly where they are located with the wiring. So this is how it's going to be at the back. This is how it's going to be laid out at the side. Now I'm going to choose a point here to clean and install the LED right behind the diffuser. So using alcohol, we're going to clean the area of all dirt. So you're going to clean all the area of all dirt before installing the strip so that it won't fall off. So I'm just using the double-sided tapes to stick it down to the surface. Seem to hold very good with this double-sided tape. On the side, we do the same. Using the double-sided tape, we just stick it down right beside the side. The same procedure is applied to the other side. We first clean all the area so that the car has no dirt. So use alcohol or some soapy water to clean the area using a microfiber cloth. Okay, so inside of the battery bay, you're going to connect the red terminal to the red side of the battery and the black terminal to the black side of the battery to complete the installation.